Hey, I'm Mohammed from FlexPoint Academy. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to use a fire extinguisher using the pass method, the safest and simplest way to control a small fire. Before you even touch the extinguisher, do 3 things. Number 1, check your exits. Make sure you always have a clear path to escape. Number 2, make the call. Have someone call 911 or call yourself if you're alone. Number 3, assessing the fire. This method only works for small fires. If the fire is spreading or too big, leave immediately. Now let's go through the pass method, which contains 4 steps. Step number 1, pull. Pull the pin at the top of the extinguisher. This unlocks the handle and gets it ready to use. Step number 2, aim. Aim the nozzle at the base of the fire, not the flames. The base is where the fire actually starts. Step number 3, squeeze. Squeeze the handles together to release the extinguishing agent. Use steady pressure. Step number 4, sweep. Sweep the nozzle from side to side across the base of the fire. Move slowly, stay in control, and always keep your exits behind you. After the fire is out, don't walk away yet. Watch the area for a few minutes in case the fire reignites, and make sure the extinguisher gets recharged or replaced afterwards. Remember, the best time to learn this is before an emergency happens. Share it, save it, and hit subscribe for more.